The Windows operating system has a great feature that allows you to wirelessly cast your screen from one Windows device to another Windows device. So for example, from your Windows laptop to your Windows desktop. That means you have the ability to move around and still control what's visible on a screen. There's some added bonuses too, but we'll get to those in a second. Let's see how it works. Hi friends, Rick Bray with the Plick team at Broomtauga Bosse's, and we'd like to show you in this video how you can use the Windows Connect app to wirelessly cast your screen from one Windows device to another Windows device. So for this video, I'm going to be modeling one potential use for this feature in a classroom where a teacher would like to cast their laptop up to the screen in front of the students so that the teacher can control everything from the laptop. However, the students can see everything on the big projection device. So to set that up, I'm going to move this particular screen off to the side and call this the desktop machine. I understand it might not always be a desktop. It might be some other device that's a Windows device, but let's consider this screen to be the one that is projected for student view. Great. And on this screen, we're going to call this laptop. This is the device that the teacher is walking around with and controlling physically. Awesome. Okay, the first thing to set up is on the desktop machine. So if we focus on that, you need to set up the Connect Hub. Now to do that, the best way we've found is to use the little search glass at the bottom here and type in the word Connect. And you'll notice that the Connect app appears here. It's here and it says open. You can click any of those options. If this is something you're going to use often, you may want to pin it to the taskbar so it shows up here at the bottom for you. But I'm going to open it up. You'll notice that a window appears and it has an identifier on it. That is the identification for this device, and that's how you'll know which device to cast to from your laptop. Now, this is a small screen, so the casting isn't control over the computer. It's just over this window. If I were to minimize the window, you wouldn't see anything from the casting screen, and we'll show that in a second. For the next step, let's move over to the laptop. Now on the laptop, we want to also tap into Connect, but it's done a little bit differently. It's done in the bottom right-hand corner. I want to click my notifications icon and look for a button that says Connect. Yours may look like this, where there is no Connect shown. So I'll simply click Expand, and then here is Connect. When I click on that option, it will search for devices that are set up and ready to receive window-to-window communication. You'll notice this first option is the same as the identifier back on my desktop. If I didn't see the device I was looking for, I could simply search for it by name. But all I have to do is click the device I want to cast to. You'll see that it says it's connecting, and there. I'm now casting from my laptop. If I were to bring up a website, it's showing on my desktop. And again, if I were to minimize this, you no longer see the casting screen. So it's not control over the desktop, it's just casting ability. Wonderful. Well, if I maximize this now, in theory, I could, if this was a touch screen, it's not, but if it was a touch screen, I could use different tools to write on this. And I'm controlling this from my laptop while my students can see what's happening on a bigger screen. This frees me up to walk around the classroom, check on my students, and have that movement that I want and not be tethered to the screen at the front. If I want to disconnect, simply press the disconnect option on the laptop and it disconnects, and you notice my window comes back and I still have my laptop screen. So that's how you can cast from a laptop to a desktop. So to review those steps, it starts on the desktop machine by clicking on the search glass, typing in Connect, and opening the Connect app on the desktop machine, which again is just a window within the system. And then on your laptop, going to the notifications area, if necessary, expand so you can see all of the buttons, click Connect, and then select the same item that matches the name of the identifier on your desktop. So there you have it, friends, using the Windows Connect feature to wirelessly cast your screen from one Windows device to another Windows device. We hope you found this content useful. If you did, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and you're welcome to subscribe to this channel to get updates and notifications when new content like this video is posted. As always, thank you for watching.